Today, let's step into the workshop of our amazing client in Qatar, where the magic of electronics recycling comes alive. In this video, we're putting the spotlight on our PCB dismantling system, the superhero of e-waste recycling. Watch as our client dives into the nitty-gritty of taking apart electronic components from circuit boards. It's not just about dismantling, it's about unleashing the eco-potential in every circuit board. And here's the cool part. Our PCB dismantling system isn't just about breaking things down, it's designed with Mother Earth in mind. Our smoke treatment system, totally top-notch. We're talking next-level environmental friendliness. But why does this matter? Because this process is the gateway to recovering gold, silver, and other treasures hiding in those old circuit boards. Yep, we're turning tech trash into treasure. Now here's the kicker. Our PCB dismantling system isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. Whether you're rolling with 200 kilograms per hour or need something even beefier, we've got you covered. Customizable efficiency, anyone. Are you interested in the electronic waste recycling? Contact us for more information now.